So these are the ventricles in the brain. These will actually sit right inside or inferior to the corpus callosum. So these are a very thin, small structure. They are a structure, they're not just a space. They are created by what are called ependymal cells, and they create and house the cerebral spinal fluid that will bathe not only the brain, but also the spinal cord. So we're gonna have our lateral ventricles here. They can also be called ventricles 1 and 2. But there's no clear delineation, so just go ahead and call them the lateral ventricles. Our interventricular foramen will kind of be right in here. Okay. Again, it's kind of hard to tell exactly where, but in this area. We'll have the third ventricle here. Where this piece of tape is, this is actually a narrowing, and it's called the cerebral aqueduct, leading into this large opening that will then drop down into the spinal canal, called the fourth ventricle. Now, the significance of the cerebral aqueduct is if a child or even an adult has a narrowing or a closure in this, we can have what's called hydrocephaly, where there's fluid on the brain, and then we have a rapid expansion of the skull. And this can be problematic as it can result in brain damage and all kinds of other issues.